9 out of 10 drivers have zero clue these hidden key fob features even exist. But here is the kicker. One of these features could help protect your vehicle from theft, and 99% of drivers have no idea about it. Most people think a key fob only locks and unlocks doors. But modern key fobs are packed with powerful tools designed to improve security, convenience, and even save you money. In this video, I am going to reveal 9 hidden car key fob features that almost no one knows about. Let's dive in. Feature 9. The Human Bioantenna. We have all been there. You come out of a crowded mall or stadium, and you completely forget where you parked your car. You try clicking your fob to hear the horn, but you are just a little bit too far away. The signal won't reach. It looks absolutely ridiculous, I know. But if you take your key fob, hold it firmly flat under your chin or against your temple, and press the button, your range almost doubles. This is not magic, it's physics. When you place the plastic housing directly against your chin or temple, the high water volume and conductive fluids inside your skull act as a massive biological ground plane. According to experimental analyses published in the IEEE Transactions on Electromagnetic Compatibility, that turns an omnidirectional, power-limited broadcast into a focused, directional array that expands your key's transmission radius by a massive 30% to 50%. Feature 8. The Express Cool Down. Imagine it's a boiling hot summer afternoon. Your car has been sitting in the sun, turning into a literal oven. Instead of climbing inside and getting roasted, you can air it out before you even touch the door handle. On most modern cars, including Honda, Toyota, Ford, and BMW, there is a secret key fob shortcut. Press the unlock button once, release it, and then instantly press and hold it down. Within 3 seconds, watch what happens. All 4 windows and your sunroof roll down at the exact same time. This allows trapped hot air to escape before you enter the vehicle. Automotive testing has shown that venting hot cabin air can reduce interior temperatures dramatically within just a few minutes. This feature not only increases comfort, but also reduces the initial workload on your air conditioning system. The next time you are approaching your vehicle on a hot day, try this trick and experience the difference yourself. Feature 7. The Stealth Mechanical Key. One of the biggest misconceptions among modern drivers is believing that their vehicle becomes completely inaccessible when the key fob battery dies. In reality, almost every modern key fob contains a hidden mechanical key tucked inside the casing. Manufacturers designed this feature specifically for emergencies. Yet, studies suggest that nearly 60% of drivers don't even know it exists. You just need to look for a tiny release switch or button on your key fob's casing, slide it, and pull. Boom, you have got a physical key. Now, you might notice your car door doesn't have a visible keyhole. Don't panic. Check underneath the driver's door handle piece. There is a tiny notch. Pop that plastic cap off with your key, and the hidden key cylinder is waiting right underneath. This feature becomes incredibly valuable during winter, when cold temperatures can weaken key fob batteries by as much as 35%. Roadside assistance companies report that lockouts caused by dead key fob batteries. Many owners discover it only after an emergency occurs, which is why learning about it now could save you significant stress later. Feature 6. Start your car even with a dead key fob battery. All right, worst case scenario. Your key fob battery is 100% dead. You used your hidden mechanical key to get inside, but now you press the start button and nothing happens. Are you stranded? Absolutely not. Car manufacturers built a fail-safe passive RFID chip into the fob that requires zero battery power to work. The engine start-stop button module inside your dashboard. When you bring a dead key fob into direct physical contact with the face of the starter button, this localized magnetic field cuts across an internal copper transponder coil embedded inside the key's plastic casing. This mechanical proximity induces a microcurrent of electrical energy via Faraday's law, and in result, powers up the key's passive security chip just enough to complete a short-range cryptographic handshake and unlock the vehicle's ignition immobilizer instantly. Feature 5. Muting the annoying nighttime honk. Do you hate it when you come home late at night, lock your doors, and your car emits a loud, aggressive honk? You can actually turn that off permanently using a secret key fob combo. For many vehicles, especially Nissans, Chryslers, and older Fords, all you have to do is hold down the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. During this period, watch for the hazard lights to flash. That's your confirmation that your car is now in silent lock mode. From now on, when you lock your car, only the lights will flash. Want the honk back? Just hold the same 2 buttons again to reverse it. Feature 4. Relay Attack Blocker. Modern vehicle theft has rapidly evolved past forced entry, transitioning into high-tech signal duplication known within the security industry as a wireless relay attack. According to data compiled by the UK's Office for National Statistics, keyless relay manipulation and signal cloning account for a massive 58% of all recorded vehicle thefts. And with organized syndicates executing full vehicle entries in under 60 seconds, in a typical attack scenario, one criminal stands near your residential wall with an amplifier to capture the low-frequency polling signal emitted by your key fob inside, while a second thief relays that boosted signature directly to the vehicle's door handle receiver. To counteract this vulnerability, brands like Toyota, Lexus, and BMW integrated a dedicated hardware sleep function in the key fob. Just hold down the lock button, and while holding it, press unlock twice. Watch the tiny LED light on the fob flash 4 times. In this way, you completely cut off the fob's internal 315 MHz transmitter and drop its power state to 0, and rendering it entirely invisible to high-tech scanning devices until a physical button is pressed again. Feature 2. Remote Engine Start. Millions of vehicle owners pay third-party shops up to $500 to install aftermarket remote engine starters because they are completely unaware that their key fob is already pre-programmed to execute this command. To determine if your car features this hidden software gateway, perform the standard logic code macro. Press your key fob's lock button twice within 2 seconds, and then press and hold it a third time for 5 full seconds. Or try the alternative alternating sequence of lock, unlock, lock. This precise timing loop sends a specific multiplexed signal via the controller area network directly to the powertrain control module and commands the fuel injection pump and starter relay to prime and ignite the engine from up to 200 feet away without a dedicated start button. Feature 1. The panic button. Most people think the bright red panic button exists solely to help locate a vehicle in a crowded parking lot. However, it was actually designed with personal safety in mind. As you press the panic button, it triggers flashing lights and a loud horn that can often be heard hundreds of feet away. The sudden activation of a vehicle alarm dramatically increases visibility and attention. This feature can be especially valuable when walking alone at night, entering a parking garage, or encountering a suspicious situation. Behavioral criminologist statistics indicate that over 85% of opportunistic carjackers and parking lot predators will immediately abandon a target when confronted with an unexpected, loud alarms and sudden visibility. The next time you hold your key fob, remember that the panic button is not just a convenience feature. It is one of the simplest and most underrated safety tools built into your vehicle. Knowing how and when to use it could turn an ordinary key fob into a powerful layer of personal protection when it matters most. So, there you have it. Hidden car key fob features that millions of drivers either don't know about or never use. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these hidden key fob features surprised you the most? And did your car have a feature you never knew existed? Let us know in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.